Recently, I pulled out my bag of recipes to find the only chicken and dumpling dish I ever make. It's from an actress you may have heard of that I adapted for the slow cooker. First, generously season 2 to 3 pounds boneless, skinless chicken thighs with salt and pepper and brown in a pot with some butter and olive oil, working in batches, then remove. To the same pot, add 2 slices diced duck bacon with a couple of roughly chopped leeks, carrots, and celery, some fresh thyme, a bay leaf, and sweat that out for about 10 minutes. Return the chicken to the pot of veggies, add a half cup white wine, 2 cups veggie stock, and a cup of water, then place the pot into the slow cooker, cover with a circle of parchment paper, and put the lid on and cook on low for 6 hours or high for 4. Just before it's all done, combine a cup flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, a half cup half and half, and a half teaspoon salt in a bowl and mix well. Remove the lid and the paper, drop large spoonfuls of that dumpling mixture you just made, and cook covered on high for 15 to 20 minutes more. Serve in a bowl with plenty of juice, fresh chopped parsley, and savor all winter long.